Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to take a look at this brand new illuminator counter. Part of the Illumigo range, the Illumigo counter comes with all the premium features we've come to expect from the Illumigo brand, which includes a double-sided silicon edge graphic, pre-fitted LED lights, a premium transport box, and it also has this iconic white powder-coated finish. The Illumigo counter also comes with its own features, which include this two-part tabletop. A simple twist-out bracket means you just slide the tabletop on and tighten in place using thumb screws. The Illumigo counter is a completely toolless system. The main body of the counter itself is all numbered with push fittings to make it very easy to build. The feet simply push into place and then are tightened up with thumb screws, and as mentioned earlier, the counter is in two parts, slides together, and again is fixed in place with thumb screws. Now, fitting the graphic is also very straightforward. All you have to do is fold the silicone over and push it into the channels. They start in each corner and work your way back out. This counter itself can be built in less than 10 minutes. As mentioned earlier, the counter comes with pre-fitted LEDs along the base of the unit. Now, although these are powerful LEDs, they're also low voltage LEDs, and they can be used from anywhere from 110 volts up to 240 volts, which means they can be used in the majority of countries.